Samsung's highly anticipated One UI 8.5 update might be facing a delay, and the reason behind it could be linked to the upcoming Galaxy S26 model. While Samsung has been developing One UI 8.5 for months, new reports suggest that its beta program may not begin as early as expected. The information comes from well-known tipster Taron Vats, who claims that Samsung has postponed the One UI 8.5 beta program for the Galaxy S25 series. According to his sources, this delay is connected to changes in the Galaxy S26 lineup, which is now expected to arrive later than planned. Originally, Samsung was supposed to launch the Galaxy S26 series alongside One UI 8.5 in January or February 2025. However, new reports indicate that the launch has been pushed back to March 2025. The delay seems to be a result of Samsung restructuring the Galaxy S26 lineup. Instead of the previously rumored Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge, Samsung has now decided to stick with the more traditional trio: Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. This shift in strategy appears to have affected the overall software rollout timeline, including the One UI 8.5 beta program. If this report turns out to be true, the delay isn't entirely surprising. Samsung often aligns its major One UI versions with new flagship releases. So, if the Galaxy S26 launch is postponed, the One UI 8.5 beta program will likely follow suit. Still, there's no official confirmation from Samsung, so this information should be taken with caution for now. Now, what exactly is One UI 8.5, and why is it creating such a buzz? Samsung's One UI has continuously evolved over the years, and One UI 8.5 is set to mark the return of something fans haven't seen in a long time: a 0.5 version. In the early years, Samsung released versions like One UI 1.5 and 2.5 between major updates. Later, it replaced them with 1.1 updates focused mainly on foldable phones. With One UI 8.5, Samsung is reviving that old naming style for the first time in years. One UI 8.5 will be based on Android 16 and is expected to debut officially with the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. While One UI 8.0 focused on stability and performance, One UI 8.5 aims to bring a major visual refresh and smarter customization options. Leaked firmware has already revealed some of the exciting new features. One of the biggest upgrades will be a redesigned quick panel, allowing complete customization. Users can move, remove, or rearrange toggles and widgets freely, something Samsung fans have been requesting for a long time. Another notable change is the relocation of the search bar to the bottom of many Samsung apps, including the Settings app. This small tweak makes one-handed use more comfortable. Samsung is also improving privacy protection in images, preventing sensitive information from being accidentally shared. One UI 8.5 will also update Samsung's internet browser and integrate Galaxy A even deeper into the system. A new feature called Now Brief can even double as a flashlight toggle when activated, showing how Samsung is blending AI with convenience. Visually, One UI 8.5 takes a leap forward. Samsung is introducing more three-dimensional app icons with realistic shadows and curves, giving the interface a fresh, premium look. The gallery and phone apps will now use symbol-based icons instead of text in their navigation bars for a cleaner design. The lock screen is getting attention too, with 3 new clock styles and smoother animations for always-on display. The wake-up animation now starts exactly where the screen is tapped, making interactions feel more natural. Samsung is also introducing a proper One UI logo for the first time, similar to Android's iconic Easter egg design. In terms of rollout, Samsung will first release One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 series, followed by other eligible devices. The update will then reach previous Galaxy flagships and mid-range phones. Every major S-series model since 2022 is expected to receive the update, including the Galaxy S23, S24, and S25 series. Foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 will also be included, along with select AM and F-series phones. Tablets like the Galaxy Tab S9, Tab S10, and Tab S11 families are also on the list, ensuring wide availability across Samsung's ecosystem. For many of these models, One UI 8.5 will be the final major feature update. As of now, the beta program for One UI 8.5 was expected to begin in late November, but with the possible Galaxy S26 delay, it might be pushed into early 2025. The final release timeline will depend on how soon Samsung finalizes the Galaxy S26 lineup and completes the new software optimizations. While the delay might disappoint some Galaxy fans, it could also mean Samsung is taking extra time to perfect both its hardware and software. With redesigned visuals, better customization, smarter AI features, and improved usability, One UI 8.5 promises to deliver one of the most polished experiences Samsung users have ever seen.